Hey guys, Patrick here, and today I wanted to show you this new propane torch from SEESE. This thing is absolutely incredible, super easy to use, and way easier to control compared to other models and versions. Just get your can, you're gonna screw it in. Once that's on, make sure it's tight. You then have two different options. So you can turn it on right here, the gas nozzle. That'll turn it on, and then you have your trigger to ignite it. You can then adjust the flame with this, or just pull the trigger for a full. So check this out. Also, before I forget to mention, you have a lock and unlock button. So it's kind of like you have a safety. Pretty cool. So right now it's locked. Click it, unlock, you hear the gas. We're gonna turn this on. Gas is running. We're gonna hit that igniter. Just like that. You can make that flame smaller, way bigger. And then like I had mentioned, you have the trigger here, so you can even pull that and it's gonna go full throttle. This thing is freaking amazing, super easy to use. Really, really like it. Would definitely recommend getting one of these. This is awesome. Be careful, have fun. Use this for so many different things. You can kill bugs with it. You can take it camping. You can do so much stuff with it. This is cool. Check it out. Definitely recommend getting this one.